We are going to do chapter 2 of the novel of Anida Nair, Ladies Coupe. And in this chapter 2, what is special about this chapter 2 is that there is a title given to this chapter 2, unlike other chapters, and the title is A Certain Age. Now we are going to see this chapter. In this chapter, last chapter, we saw that Akila and all of them, they mingled. They came in the train. They all mingled with each other, the ladies, and then and Janaki lies down. Janaki lies down and she thinks about her husband. She thinks about her life, the daily routines of her life, and then how her husband is afraid of anything that is extreme, and then how he's a very health conscious man, and then she is surprised that they have completed 40 years of marriage. And then Janaki's husband's name is Prabhagar. Janaki was 18 years old when she got married to Prabhagar, who was 27 years old at that time, and their marriage was an arranged marriage time. Then Janaki is remembering how from her girlhood, how she is groomed for marriage by their aunties and relatives and all. But she was never so curious. She thought, let it come when it has to come. And then after marriage, when they had for the first time kiss, she only felt very much stiffening kind. Not shyness, but then a kind of strangeness. Then she was not comfortable in the beginning, and then they did not consummate the marriage. Their marriage got consummated only after 2 months. Consummated in the sense, when you say consummation of marriage, it means sex, whether sex is done or not. Okay, so their marriage remained unconsummated for 2 months, and then she describes how her nights were with him, how they had that relationship, how her husband pleaded with her to allow to enter into her body, but then how she refused it, how she was very much how she neglected all that, and then how when the sex is done, when the penis penetrates the vagina, even the small pain also she could not bear, and then he had to withdraw and he had to leave her alone. But then after some time, even if after some weeks, Janaki herself started to feel that if you don't give him what he wants, he will go to seek it somewhere else. So she slowly started, all the caresses, foreplay and all, she slowly started responding to that. Though she's feeling some strange, she started responding to that, and then she gave into that sexual relationship. And then but slowly, only after giving into for the foreplay in the beginning, after some weeks only she was ready for sex, and then she gave herself, and then slowly she's learned how to change that pain into pleasure. Slowly she learned how to find pleasure in that pain. Okay, so that is what is said about her experience after the marriage, her first night and her experiences and all. Then she says that one particular notion, at a certain age, she is wondering, when she started to be a certain age, what is the time when she became old? So, is it when she was pregnant? Is it because of her parenthood? Because after she was pregnant, after she delivered the baby, all the conversations that they had was about the baby, and then are they good parents? Before, like we know in Facebook and all, we have got how true you are in relationships, such quizzes and all. So after having the baby, their quizzes are more like, are we good parents, etc. So she was wondering, or she wonders, is it because when did she reach that certain age, certain age? So she's quite annoyed by people telling her that she's at a certain age. So she said, when is it that she became old? Is it when her son started buying shoes by himself? Is it when her son started bringing friends for lunch? Or is it when she had the menopause and she is having medicines? So she's discussing about how both of them, they started aging. But she was very pleased and satisfied. She used to tell her husband, see, who else are living a life like us? Our life is very contented. So, and then she even said to her husband that even after 40 years of marriage, we do have sex. Though not every day, but then we do have sex. So she's like quite contented with the life that they had. Then she has a son. Her son got married, and wife's name is Jaya. So she felt pity for this daughter-in-law because Siddhartha is very cold with emotions. She's unlike both of them. He's very cold. And Jaya always used to look at these two couples like our Janaki and Prabhagar and how loving they are. And then she used to say, but then some way Janaki was quite uncomfortable with Jaya. And then soon after marriage, lots of changes have happened with Siddhartha. Siddhartha started to behave differently. Siddhartha started to find faults with mother all the time. He started to compare with Jaya's mother, etc. Especially when their daughter, Siddhartha got a child, Suji. So that time the child was quite ill and he had asked them to come over to their place. So at that place, they could always find Siddhartha always finding complaint with his mom and comparing with Jaya, and Prabhagar always stood for Janaki. Prabhagar always said, you don't need to hear this nonsense, let's go, like that. And then she says it's okay. She says it's because maybe his daughter is born quite ill, that's why he's behaving like this, like that. Even Siddhartha told on to her face that she's spoiled by her father and his dad. Okay, so that like Prabhagar stood very strong upon that. When Janaki cries, Siddhartha kneels up and asks sorry and all. Then that night they were cuddling to one another. It's very loving, like cuddling to one another, hugging one another, feeling the other person. And then she tells him, let us go home. I don't want you to be shared. So loving it is. I don't want you to be shared. I want you all to myself. I don't want to share you. So let us go home. And then he said, I have booked for 24th and all. We won't get first class tickets. We won't get. Then she says that it's okay. Even if second class compartment is okay. And like that only, Janaki and her husband entered this train. They came second class compartment. Prabhagar is not getting a berth. And then Janaki is staying with Agila and these girls. So this is the story of Janaki. So the story of Janaki is told, and then story of Janaki is told, and then they are this story, like we will have stories of each woman, okay, and we will see the next chapter in another video. Thank you.